Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you a really cool hack if you want to moisturize your hair in between washes, and if you always wear like afro puffs and you're like, hey, how do I detangle this without snapping all my hair off? This hack is for you. So a few days ago I had this really cute ponytail, and then it started raining. Oh my gosh, it just messed it up. And then it turned into this afro puff. So I'm going to show you guys how I detangle, moisturize, and stretch my hair. We're going to be using the Hair of Nature LOC Set. This stands for the L. This is the leave-in conditioner, and it has like a lot of slip to it, into it. And I just love it. Next, we have the O, which stands for oil. And it has like the sunflower stuff on the bottom of it. And it's like really good, and my mom used it for my hair and scalp. And lastly, I don't know, but I definitely know it's good. And my mom just uses this for my ends, so that's nice and curly.
Shea butter.
Yeah, and it's shea butter. Okay, so the real hack is that we are going to be using a clothes steamer. It's not for my clothes. It's not. So, we are going to be using some horsetail tea, and we are going to be pouring it into this. Or that's going to pour it into this. Horsetail tea is actually really good for your hair and, like, for taste. It's good for both. Okay, let me taste it. Not bad. It's really good. It's not sweet, but it's good. We're going to pour this in. And yeah, this is very thick. Oh. So this is what this looks like after you add the leave-in conditioner. It honestly just looks like caramel and like vanilla ice cream in it. Like the caramel just took over. So we have our steamer and we have water. We're going to put the water in here so we can steam my hair. But make sure you use bottle of water, nothing else, and it doesn't matter. And what kind it is, and like I drank some of it because hydration is inside and outside, so it's good for your hair too. So it keeps your hair hydrated. Hack. Let the games begin. Well, guys, this is the finishing product. It smells really good. My scalp, and my hair is like really moisturized. That looks nice. And it just really feels really good. Well, bye, guys. Make sure to hit that bell, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite moisturizing method is. Bye, guys. Good night.